Looking for a quick, comforting meal? This sweet potato and chicken curry is perfect for busy days and is packed with flavor. Start by sautéing onions, garlic, and ginger in some olive oil until the onion softens. This step will build that rich, aromatic base. Next, add your diced chicken. Season it with curry powder, turmeric, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir to coat the chicken in the spices and cook until browned. Now, toss in the sweet potatoes and pour in the coconut milk. Stir everything together, making sure all the ingredients are mixed well. Let the curry simmer for about 20 minutes until the sweet potatoes are soft and the chicken is fully cooked. The coconut milk will create a rich, creamy sauce. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve over rice or with naan bread for a complete meal. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, healthy meals. Let us know your favorite way to enjoy this curry in the comments.